Hey guys, Joe here again, doing a video on my water pressure system. Just got it installed yesterday. Came out to jet ski so that way I can test it out and get some good footage. Hope you guys enjoy. So that's your in, goes down to the tank. This is the out. Got your nozzle here. Got the button right inside. So prime it. There you go. So whether you're jet skiing at the beach or surfing or skimboarding or just going to the beach and you need to rinse off, perfect setup. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment below. Tell me what you guys think. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.